6L2GPM Propane LPG Instant Hot Water Heater, your ultimate solution for rapid hot water delivery. With its advanced heating system, this tankless water heater provides hot water in seconds, ensuring you never have to wait again. Designed for versatility, this compact unit is perfect for residential use, and ideal for RVs, cabins, and any space where hot water is needed quickly. Its lightweight design allows for easy installation in various locations, making it a great space-saving option. Installation is a breeze with standard 1/2 MPT water fittings and a 2.3 horizontal vent pipe included. Just remember to ensure proper ventilation for optimal performance. This efficient heater not only meets your bathroom and kitchen demands simultaneously but also features advanced combustion technology that reduces gas consumption and minimizes NOI. Allowing for a peaceful environment. Safety is a priority, with built-in protections including flame failure, anti-freezing, and overheating safeguards. Crafted with high-quality materials, our water heater is engineered for durability and long-lasting reliability, providing with consistent hot water for years to come. Experience the freedom of instant hot water anytime, anywhere, with our portable propane tankless water heater. Enjoy comfort and convenience at your fingertips.